Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Sun transit in Leo sign from 16th of August 2021 to 16th of September 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to upcoming Sun transit in Leo sign. First of all, Sun transit in Leo with Mars till 6th of September, and Sun receiving 7th aspect from Jupiter throughout whole month from 16th September till 16th September from 16th August. So let's talk about Aries Ascendant. Aries Ascendant, your 5th house Lord transit in your 5th house with your Ascendant Lord till 6th of September. Mars transit in your 5 number Leo sign, and the Sun transit in your 5 number Leo sign till 16th of September 2021. Your creativity create magic at your workplace. You will earn a lot of money. If you are if your entertainment industries linked with entertainment industry, Bollywood or TV actor, you will blessed with a new deal. If you are student, you are focused on your education. You are feeling much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy all-round success. Sun transit in your 5th house, you will enjoy lot of materialistic gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your old investment will give you fruitful results. Sun transit in your 5th house in Pancham Bhav will give you lot of good deeds with others. If you're willing to start anything new, you may start, because Sun transit in your 5th house. Sun transit in your 5th house, you will gain lot of respect, reputation in your social circle. Your friends will support you, because Sun 7th aspect is on your 11th house. Sun transit in your 5th house, you will earn money from speculation. You will earn money from old investment in stock market. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendant. Sun transit in your 4th house. Your all comforts will rise. You will enjoy very good time at your workplace. Mouth to mouth publicity will make you happy. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Whatever you are trying, you will get 100 out of 100% results. Sun transit in your 4th house. Relationship with your mother, you need to be careful talking with your mother. You need to be careful about your mother health. This whole time will brings a lot of opportunities related to investing your money. This whole time brings a lot of opportunity related to expand your business. If you are importer exporter, if you are any type of forex related worker, you will definitely blessed with a lot of foreign transactions. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Your confidence level will be sky high, because Sun transit in your 3rd house. Your siblings will support you. You will get good news through communication, through email or phone call. And if you are unemployed, you may get job. Your small efforts will give you a lot of profits. 3rd house is a house of efforts. 3rd house is a house of communication. 3rd house is a house of your strong willpower, your braveness, your courage. And if when Sun transit in your 3rd house, it will be ultimate for you when you will feel much relaxed and comfortable, and your confidence level is on another height. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Sun transit in your 2nd house. Your finances will be excellent. Your savings will rise, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your new source of earning will develop. Sun transit in your 2nd house. Your eating habits will arise, and your family will support you. Your father, your mother will support you. You will enjoy wonderful time with your family and friend. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant, Sun transit in your 1st house. It's a brilliant, excellent placement of the Sun. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good source of earning. Your savings will rise. You will earn money from multiple sources of earn. Your self-respect will increase. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your family and friend. This whole time, Leo, you will be on another height of success. Your all pending work will click with your small efforts. Your all struggle will convert in a success. Just need to chant Om Hara Hari Hiro Sah Suryaya Nama. Must read Aditya Hriday Stotra 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. The more you chant this mantra, the more you read this Aditya Hriday Stotra, the more you feel blessed. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Sun transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Some overspending will create some problem in your savings, and some far away links Like if you are living in India or your friend is in America or Australia, they will contact you, or you may start a new business partnership with your far away friend. Sun transit in your 12th house will brings you lot of new opportunities related to far away place. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Libra Ascendant Sun transit in your 11th house. You will get support from higher authority. Your source of funding will develop. You will enjoy all-round success. Your siblings will support you. Your elder siblings will support you. Your friends will support you. Your horizon will rise. Your friends, your family will support you. You will earn money from multiple sources of funding. Your health will fine. Sun transit in your 5th house. Your main wish will be fulfilled during these 30 days. I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Sun transit in your 10th house. Your professional life will grow. You will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity. This whole time, Scorpio, you will be on another height of success. This whole time, Scorpio, some new opportunities will knock you related to your professional life. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, achievement, fame, prosperity. Your father health will be good. Your relationship with your father will be ultimate. You will spend wonderful time with your family or friends. 10th house Sun transit. It's one of the ultimate position of the Sun in own sign, because you will get business from market. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will develop. Some happy moments you will spend at your home or at your office. Sun transit in your 9th house for Sagittarius ascendants. Sun transit in your 9th house. Your good fortune is in your favor. If you are willing to long distance journeys, or you are willing for PR or work permit, your work permit will click or your PR will click. Sun transit in your 9th house. Your good fortune is in your favor. You will get a lot of business from market. You will enjoy a lot of happy moments with your family, with your friends. Your father will support you. Your father health will be ultimate. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Sun transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. While driving, you need to be careful. If you're a yoga teacher, if you're a spiritual guru, if you're an astrologer, if you are any type of spiritual guru, you will bless with a lot of gains. If you're willing to settle in foreign land, then Sun will help you in 8th house. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant. Sun transit in your 7th house. Your spouse will support you. Your business partners will support you. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. You will enjoy a lot of daily income. Your daily income will rise every day. With each passing day after 16th of August, your daily income will rise. You will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity. Your spouse will help you. Your health of your spouse will be good. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendant. Sun transit in your 6th house. Your old debts will be clear. You will enjoy all-round success. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of profit at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of happy time at your workplace. Even this whole time, Pisces, you will be on another height of success. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If your business is not going to give you profit, then after 16th August, your business is going to give you very good profit. You just need to perform your best and chant the mantra Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. And must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night, 3 times, 5 times or 7 times. You will definitely see big change in your life. Sun play a big change in every person's life, because Sun is a king of the all planets. So Sun transit in own sign is one of the brilliant period will start from almost all ascendants. So try to perform your best, be honest, be humble, don't break the rules, don't break the rules, regulations, don't break the law and order. Everything will be good in your life if you have a strong Sun in your birth chart. Must consult with your nearest astrologer to know about which type of Sun placement in your birth chart. Do you have a strong Sun, exalted Sun, on sign Sun, or your Sun placed in 1st house, 5th house, 9th house, 11th house, 3rd house? Then you will be on another height of success from 16th August to 16th September 2021. I am praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.